Ancient relics. These mysterious objects from our past continue to baffle modern science and ignite our imaginations. Today, I'm diving into one of the most perplexing and advanced ancient relics ever discovered, the Antikythera Mechanism. Our story begins in 1900, when sponge divers near the Greek island of Antikythera stumbled upon something extraordinary. Among the treasures of a 2000-year-old Roman shipwreck, they discovered fragments of a strange, corroded object that would later be known as the Antikythera Mechanism, an ancient relic so advanced it defies belief. This device, often called the world's first computer, is made of bronze and features a complex system of over 30 interlocking gears. That might not sound impressive at first, but think about this. The craftsmanship of the Antikythera Mechanism is on par with 18th century clockwork, yet it dates back to 100 BCE. Through decades of study, researchers uncovered the Antikythera Mechanism's true purpose. It's an astronomical calculator, designed to predict celestial events like eclipses and track the cycles of the sun, moon, and even the positions of planets in the ancient Greek sky. Using dials and gears, this ancient relic could model complex astronomical phenomena. For example, it could calculate the timing of solar and lunar eclipses years into the future. It even included the Metonic cycle, a 19-year period that aligns solar and lunar calendars, and the Saros cycle, crucial for predicting eclipses. Scholars believe the Antikythera Mechanism was inspired by the teachings of ancient Greek mathematicians like Archimedes. However, this ancient relic raises more questions than answers. How widespread was this technology? The Antikythera Mechanism shows a level of technological sophistication we didn't think existed in ancient times. It forces us to reconsider what we know about the ancient world. Could there be other ancient relics out there, waiting to challenge our understanding of history? Today, the Antikythera Mechanism is on display in Athens, a testament to the brilliance of ancient minds. It reminds us that ancient relics aren't just objects, they're keys to unlocking the secrets of our past. So, where am I? I'm left in awe of a civilization that looked to the stars and built a machine to understand their place in the cosmos. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than just an ancient relic. It's a glimpse into a world far more advanced than we ever imagined. What other ancient relics should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below.